Hi friends, I got my MI trimmer today. It is for 60 minutes uh, uh, capacity trimmer. It's called as MI bird trimmer 1C, right? And it has a runtime of about 60 minutes. So here we have it, and I got it at a very good offer for this Diwali. Here we have the bill and all those things, and I got it for approximately 700 rupees. So let us start opening this one. Just a second. Pause. So there. Things, right? And then we have this box, and let's see what all they have given in this box. So this is the main trimmer, and with that we have the charger, I think, and then we have a brush, and here we have the main trimmer. Okay, and then we have this, maybe this is dispatchable thing. So this is all we have, and I have seen lots of reviews of this one online. uh, so hopefully this is a good one. So let me go ahead and use it, and let's see the result. So let me try it on Samruddh. Okay, thank you guys.